Díoghaibh is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic. And today, let's learn how to say look. If you want to tell someone to look at something, you may say Féach. Féach. Look. Féach. You could alternatively say brah-nee, also pronounced as Breathnaigh or Breathnaigh. Breathnaigh. Another way of saying look is ow-urk, also pronounced af-ark. Ow-urk or af-ark. It's good to remember that most Irish words can be pronounced in a number of different ways. Want to improve your Irish? Why not take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.